Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use VPN on any smart TV. Alright, let's begin. If you have an Android smart TV, the easiest way is to download a VPN app directly from the App Store. Go to the Apps section, open the store, and search for a VPN, like Surfshark VPN. Select it, click Install, and once it's installed, open the app, sign up, and complete the subscription to start using it on your TV. For smart TVs that don't support VPN apps, such as some Samsung, LG, or Hisense TVs, you can use your mobile phone as a VPN hotspot. Install a VPN like Proton VPN on your phone, open it, and activate the VPN. Then connect your smart TV to the hotspot of your phone. Your TV will now use the VPN connection provided by your phone. So that's basically how you can use VPN on any smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.